halo, halo. Let's go back to Waipahu and see what Tiano's restaurant has cooking for us. Chef Joel, what dishes will you be preparing for us today?
Well, I'm so excited. Just because you're here, I would like to prepare for you our award-winning Lechon Kawali.
Yes, I was
We actually won it, the Taste of Hawaii that was done about 2 years ago back in Kauai. And a lot of people liked it. And you know, I was totally blown out by it. So you traveled this far, I couldn't resist but to have you taste it.
I'm excited.
Okay. And of course, one of the all-time Filipino favorite, crispy pata.
Okay, good.
It's like a whole, you know, leg of pork.
Yeah.
And it's basically very, very popular on gatherings.
Oh.
And a lot of folks like to drink it with beer, so hopefully, you know.
Maybe I'll save that for later, happy hour time, right?
Okay.
Okay, my stomach is growling.
And then the other items that I also want to prepare on the American side is a signature roasted garlic shrimp.
Oh, wow.
Okay, and it's really popular whenever I am invited to cater for someone.
Yeah.
That's always been the request of people, so I'm gonna show that to you today, and we can have a taste of that today.
Sounds good.
First one we're gonna do is we're gonna cook a crispy pata. It's basically on the leg side of the pork. And what we do in this one is we boil it with adobo sauce, a famous adobo sauce. And it really injects a lot of flavor in there. And normally we cook this ahead of time, like a day ahead of time. Let it marinate. In that way, by the time you fry this, it's gonna have a lot of flavor. So you don't really need a whole lot to enjoy this one right here. We're gonna just dump this with a fryer. You know, as Filipino, we like to eat fried foods.
Oh yeah, we love it. The only thing stopping us is our cholesterol.
The second item we're gonna cook, you can cook the same time. Basically, this is an item for Lechon Kawali. This is a pork belly. If you notice, it's nicely proportioned. It has a nice layer of fat in the top, but still have about 1.5 inches of meat in the bottom. So really, you really can enjoy not just the skin, but also the meat. So we're very specific on the specification of the pork that we use here.
Yeah, because I'm so used to the one that has so much fat, right?
If you notice, we don't boil this.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of flavor inside in it, but it'll get crispy really quick here. Just gonna drop it in.
Good.
While we're waiting for that, we're gonna start off with our famous signature roasted garlic shrimp. Basically very simple. We look for the biggest shrimp available in the market, which is a U15. U15 is basically telling us that per pound you will count no more than 15 per pound, 15 shrimp per pound. So right here, per order, we give 6. So basically we're giving about ½ pound per order.
Wow.
We marinate these with our own homemade garlic powder, citrus garlic powder, and then very simple. Once you have it marinated, you just pop it in the oven. In about 5 minutes, this is how it looks like.
Ooh, it looks juicy. Oh, it smells so good.
It smells so good. So I'm gonna serve it with fresh vegetables today. And now basically the pork belly has come out of the fryer. So So what we're gonna do, we wanna just drain out some of the fat from the pork.
Right.
So we're gonna pop it in the oven for about 1 minute. And then it will render the fat and will bring the crisp back to it. Okay? And our crispy pata is almost ready. Well, we're gonna do the same thing with the crispy pata. See the skin right there?
Oh,
You can literally hear it. Okay? But we're gonna render the fat out. So we wanna put this in the oven for another 2 minutes. Tiano's famous Lechon Kawali.
Award-winning.
Award-winning Lechon Kawali. Now, for the finale, let's eat!
Yeah! So, oh no. We're gonna take a quick break because I have all this food that I need to eat right now. See you in a few.